Okay, in this video, I'm going to guide you as to how to renew your property once it expires. Okay, so right now you can see under manage property tab, your property is listed and the plan is free. So the plan start date is 19th July 2025 and plan expiry date is 19th July 2026. So basically you will have to renew your property listing once we pass this particular date. And to do that, right now you can't see the option to renew under here under action section, but it will be visible to you once you are near to this particular date. But still, if it is not there, still you can renew it. To do that, you simply go to manage property tab, then your property details will be shown over here. Go to action, then click on edit, and then scroll down. You can see step 4, which is your property is live right now. You click on renew, and then you can see that currently you already have a active plan. If in case your plan has expired, then it will show that your plan has expired and your property is now not visible to travelers on our website. To renew, simply click on renew, make the payment, which is 2000 plus 18% GST, and automatically your plan will renew and your property will go live. So this way you can renew your property once you have consumed your free plan, that is 1-year plan, and you can renew it for complete 1 year by just paying 2000 plus 18% GST.